Hello, this is Gillian Croteau and my video demo for my TP3 submission. My project is Sands of Time, which is a game inspired by the Minecraft Championship game, also known as Sands of Time. So here, if I run my file, the first thing that you'll notice is we will get a username prompt. This is storing usernames and scores in the game through a JSON file. So you can save your username and all your high scores in between games. You can close out the window and it'll be saved. So I will log in with the username I've been using, Gillian, and you can see that I have played Sands of Time under this username 25 times, and my previous high score is 143. So we'll try to beat that. So you'll see the first thing you'll see that pops up after you've entered your username is a menu. If we click on how to play, this will pop up with a little blurb about the game, as well as instructions on how to move your player, basic functions for gameplay. And if we enter the dungeon here, we can start our gameplay. You can see the first thing is, this is our little sprite. We are moving our legs and changing our directions. We can go over here and pick up this piece of sand, as well as this piece of gold. You'll see this is a mummy. He is following us. The mummy is pathfinding to us using the breadth first search algorithm. So he'll come over here and attack us. You can see our health bar up here will slowly start to go down, but we can also attack him and eventually he will die. You'll also notice we've picked up 2 pieces of gold now, and it has randomly assigned a few values of gold to us up in the corner here. Since we also picked up 1 piece of sand, we've also added a piece of sand up here. And you'll notice our timer is going down. We're currently at 16 seconds. We started at 30 seconds, but we have some sand in our inventory. So we can come over here to the hourglass and click on it to add a piece of sand, and we've popped up 10 seconds from that. And then we can start to explore more of the dungeon. So if we come over here to hit this window, you'll see there's a lot of mummies in here. They are, again, all pathfinding to us using the breadth first search algorithm. We don't have time to go through the entire dungeon, unfortunately. It's quite large. You can see here's another room over here. All these brown spots are doors that lead off to more rooms. You can see there's more rooms. And this right here is a maze. This maze is generated using the Crew Skulls algorithm. And you can see there's another mummy pathfinding to us in this maze. So this maze will be randomly generated every time. And right now, this maze doesn't actually have any other rooms coming off of it. But if there are, you are easily able to get to all these rooms because Crew Skulls generates perfect mazes. So there will always be one solution to get from this door to any other door. So you can see we can pick up gold. This mummy's coming over to us, so we can kill him. And you cannot walk through the walls of the maze, nor can you walk against the walls of the maze. So you are constrained to the pathways. And if you come back over here, we are starting to run very low on time. So we will make a hasty exit. Ooh, there we go. And we'll go right back through the portal, and you can see we've won 47 gold. So that was our score for this time. And you can see in the bottom, in the terminal here, we unfortunately did not beat our previous high score of 143. Better luck next time. And so if we exit out and we run this with so that was a username that I'd used previously. Say we want to make a new username, say we'll use 42. This is a username. This has never been used. So of course we get the welcome 42, but we don't have any previous high scores. So we can enter the dungeon again. And maybe we pick up a few pieces of gold. If the mummy kills you, the game does end and you get a score of 0. So if we enter, you'll see we get thanks for playing. It's saved our high scores and we can reuse that username. Again, if we reset, you will notice that the dungeon is randomized. So for example, if we go to the left here, we can see it's this mummy room. And if we reset the game again, and we go over here, it is a different room. So the dungeon is being randomized every time. And then just to display the death mechanic, this mechanic will also occur if you completely run out of time in the dungeon or if your health is depleted by the mummy. So you see the mummy is attacking us slowly once every second. And we've died, and we do get a score of 0 for that. So that score of 0 would be saved to our username. And these are the basic mechanics of the game. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you for watching.